Okay, in this video we're going to review a tool, but I didn't actually purposely buy the tool. Is that I was inquiring about the 9 amp hour battery, and it turned out is that this kit that came with the grinder was cheaper than just buying the 9 amp hour battery and charger. And now I picked up 9 amp hour battery, charger, got the grinder, price tag right there, no line, $2.99. You know, all the other Milwaukee tools, including that vacuum, have been pretty amazing, so I'm pretty sure this grinder is going to be pretty good as well. Let's have a first look at it.
Why you no tape? So this is obviously rapid charger. This is your handle. Obviously the guard. So this obviously must be the big 9 amp hour battery. That thing's huge. Doesn't come charged though, unfortunately. High demand 9.0. Grinder tool, can't lose that. There we have it. Well, since the battery didn't come charged, let's throw it on there, see what happens.
Can you hear that? Definitely some noise coming from that battery. Hope it doesn't decide to blow up. Decided I'm just going to leave it on the bench top. Put the Ryobi one back up there. So now, let's assemble this.
First things first, safety. Let's put the guard on. Line up the arrows. That's how it works for your attachments. Is it this back one? Okay. Yes, like most grinders, there's a lock. That's kind of beefy. It's got a safety trigger on it too, so you just can't squeeze it.
So this is the M18 grinder. Brushless, it says. Has a screen covering the side portion here. Has a spare one, perhaps if one gets too dirty, whatever have you not. Fairly lightweight. The battery's not charged. It's got 3 bars, but it'll be enough to cycle the power.
Put our safety glasses on in case the grinding disc decides to want to blow up. Guess it goes that way. So makes it have some weight. So one of the things I want to know with the brushless, is there a braking system on it? When I energize it up and release the trigger, is it going to stop quickly? Is it going to coast? And of course you can adjust your guard by pushing this tab up top back, and you can adjust it. So let's just see. Almost doesn't seem like it spins very fast. I just got some quick little welding gloves up there. Let's put some gloves on and see what kind of magic we can make. This has me really curious now. Adjust my blade guard so it's back. I stand corrected. I was a little cautious about that, but this sucker definitely rips. I got this car I'm working on right here. We're going to be doing some welding and grinding, so we're definitely going to put this to the test and see what's going to happen. But in the meantime, let's just finish charging that battery up. Alright, well I'm going to end the video here of the Milwaukee grinder. I've actually had this thing for probably 4 months or even longer. I just haven't gotten around to do a review with it, but I have been using it over the time. I'm telling you right now, once you get used to the weight, this thing is absolutely incredible. And I'm going to be honest, I was skeptical at first, considering with the battery, but it came with a 9 amp hour battery, and you can grind forever on it, believe it or not. And I was also worried about the power of it. And when you're using it, it doesn't seem like it has a lot of power, but that brushless motor just seems to give her, it just goes and goes and goes. So like with all the other Milwaukee tools I've been purchasing so far this year, I've been very happy, I've been very impressed, and I'm going to end the video there. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below, and I want to thank you guys for watching.